high. I got 73. I'm asking for 74. 74. Give me 75,000. 74? 75, guys. 75. That's kind of the magic drop dead number. 75. It's 74 now. 75,000 out of about 75. It's 74. Boys, I truly think that another $1,000 will get it bought. 74. 75,000. And buy the good one. 75. 76,000, friend. I got 75. 76,000. I got 75 now. 76,000 out of about 76. I got 75 now. 76,000 out of about. You know what's going to happen on the way home? You're going to be talking to each other. Damn. Maybe we should have. We should have. 76, 75, 76,000. That's 75 now, 76,000 out of about 76 and 77. That's 76 now, 77,000 out of about 77, 77. I got 76,000 now, 77,000 out of about 77, 77. That's a.
The good ones cost a lot more.
Absolutely. It only makes sense. 77,000. That's 76 and now 77,000. That's 76 and 77,000 more now 77. I don't want to lose you, boys. You've been with me from the start. That's 77,000. 76.5. I'll take it because them guys started me out and I need the practice. I got 76,500 on Kevin's side. 77,000 to you. $500 more. That's 75,000, 77,000. That's 75, 75, 5 now, 77,000 now, 77. That's 75, 75, 5, 77, 78,000. That's 78,000. Your turn again, Kevin. That's 78,000. I got 77.5 on my side. 78,000 to you, Kevin. That's 78,000 out of about 78 and 78. That's 77.5 now, 78,000 out of about 78 and 78. That's 77.5, 78,000, 78,000, 78,000. Yes or no? That's 77.5, 78,000, 78,000. He's still smiling. That's 78,000 out of about 78 and 78 and 78. That's 77.5 now, 78,000, 78,000, 78,000. That's 77.5, 78,000. The hammer's up. The hammer's high. That's 78,000. What do you think, gentlemen? 78,000. Do you want to do it? Boys, thank you, though. I'm going to sell it right over here for 77.5, right over here. 77,000, right over here. Yep. Yep, right over here. And his bidding number is... Lucky 13. There you go.